Top 5 Next Level Gardening Inventions. Are you looking to spruce up your lawn using some of the most cutting-edge technology? Well, this takes a garden geek, or just the tools for you green-fingered guys who can't get enough of a perfectly trimmed lawn. We've put together the top 5 next level gardening inventions that you and your lawn will love, making gardening much more enjoyable and fun. Don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with Ego 580 CFM Blower. According to our research, the Ego 580 is the best battery-powered cordless leaf blower available and has received rave ratings on almost all platforms. Dubbed the most advanced in industry, its turbine fan engineering, inspired by advanced aeronautics technology, outperforms premium gas-powered ones. Longer runtime, lower vibrations, and a longer motor life are all benefits of the high-efficiency brushless motor. Now, you can experience power beyond belief without the noise, fuss, and fumes. Also compatible with all Ego Power Plus ARC lithium batteries. Let's now look at Paper Pot Transplanter, an appropriate technology for the market garden. The Paper Pot Transplanter is designed to allow small farmers to plant many small transplants in a short period of time, i.e., a single person can transplant 264 seedlings, accommodated in a honeycomb tray, in just a few minutes, where paper chain pots are linked in a chain which feeds through the transplanter. Getting further into its working, when you pull the bed down, seedlings are planted at 2 inches, 4 inches, or 6-inch spaces, depending on your desired spacing. Adjustable sweeps then pull soil around the transplants, while packing wheels firmly secure them. Another intelligent entry on this list is Gardena Smart Water Control Set. Your lawn is always thirsty, even when you're away or sleeping in bed. To quench that thirst, Gardena offers a wide range of watering controls. The Gardena Smart Water Control Set, including the Smart Water Control and a Smart Gateway, automatically regulates the water supply in your garden with a tried and tested valve technology, allowing for flexible plant irrigation. You can constantly keep an eye on your garden now with the free Gardena Smart app for iOS and Android, no matter where you are. So, no more manual watering now. Let's get on to the next amazing entry, Flexzilla Garden Hose, an easy-to-manage hose that excels at all your home hose needs. The lightweight flexible hybrid polymer material used in the Flexzilla Garden Hose is engineered to lay flat and minimize kinking under pressure, being lightweight, durable, and resist breaking. Plus, as the name suggests, it redefines flexibility by allowing for easy maneuvering past trees, bushes, and other impediments. Your sprinkler now won't twist since it has no memory and it won't fight you when you try to coil it. Furthermore, the inner tube material is drinking water safe, and the better O-ring ensures a long-lasting, leak-free connection at the spigot that significantly outlasts the competitors. Let's now shed some light on our concluding next level entry, Hedge Cutter HS75HR. It's the smallest machine in the Hedge Cutter range from Beck's Machines. An entirely new design with 2 cutter heads. Due to its diminutive size, it weighs very little and takes a small amount of oil flow. The HS75HR is therefore compatible with even the smallest of tractors. The hood and the frame are kept as lighter and thinner as possible to achieve the major objective of being lightweight. Safety components in the hood made of extra high-strength steel that's up to 4 times more damage resistant than the regular steel raised safety levels. Let's now see the last but genius entry, Husqvarna Automower Robotic Lawnmower 435X AWD. Maintaining the perfect green requires a lot of effort to keep your lawn decently trimmed. This smart home robotic lawnmower delivers a perfect lawn 24/7. The cutting-edge mower is equipped with proprietary all-wheel drive technology to handle even the toughest terrain and the steepest slopes. Moreover, it features Automower Connect for smartphone control and smart home integration, as well as advanced GPS-assisted navigation and theft tracking controls. In short, the 435X AWD is the ultimate innovative mowing solution you've been waiting for. Well, that's it for today, guys. Which of these next level gardening gadgets do you like the most and why? Do share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep watching more of such amazing and crazy stuff. Time to sign off. Have a nice day, friends. Goodbye.